The Boltzmann Brain paradox. Are you just a random thought in the void? What if you're not real? What if your memories, this video, everything you know just randomly formed seconds ago in the infinite chaos of space? According to physics, there's a terrifying chance you're at Boltzmann Brain. Today we're confronting one of science's most unsettling ideas that, statistically, randomly assembled minds should outnumber real beings in our universe by trillions to one. So, how do you prove you're not one? The physics behind the madness. One. Boltzmann's original idea in 1877. Physicist Ludwig Boltzmann proposed a wild theory. Entropy could briefly create order by pure chance, like a tornado assembling or a fully formed brain with fake memories. 2. Infinity's cruel math in an infinite universe. Even the rarest events must happen. And here's the nightmare. It's easier for particles to randomly form one self-aware brain than entire galaxies with real histories. 3. Quantum fluctuations equals brain factories. Even in empty space, quantum fluctuations could, given enough time, spontaneously create, complete with false memories of watching this video, right? Now, why scientists lose sleep. This one, the cosmic census problem for every real mind in the cosmos. Physics predicts 1050 Boltzmann brains. So, why do we see an ordered universe? This isn't philosophy, it's a crisis for cosmology. 2. Did the Big Bang reset reality? One escape hatch. Maybe the Big Bang's low entropy start prevented Boltzmann brains by making real minds way more likely. That just pushes the mystery back further. 3. The simulation theory loophole. Ironically, if we are in a simulation, it solves the Boltzmann problem. Simulated minds don't form randomly. So, is this more or less comforting? Can we escape the paradox? 1. The you can't trust memories argument. Some say, if you were a Boltzmann brain, you wouldn't see patterns. But what if your fake memories include those patterns? Checkmate. 2. The thermodynamic kill switch. Eventually, the universe will reach maximum entropy. No more Boltzmann brains possible. So if you exist after that point, you're probably real. Probably. 3. The ultimate cop-out. Most physicists just assume we're not Boltzmann brains because, well, science would be pointless otherwise. But in truth, we have no proof. So are you a flesh and blood thinker or a cosmic typo? Either way, keep questioning. And if you love existential science, wait, did you just see that? Anyway, subscribe for more reality warping science.